Hello, friends. So today we will discuss about the types of open access. In previous video we had understand about the open access terminologies. There are three types of open access. One is gold open access. Here the articles are made immediately open access upon publication. It is fee based actually. Author or their institution or any funding agency will make a payment to the publisher as an article processing charges to cover the publication cost. And here, this article should be available immediately upon the publication. A few examples like PLOS, Biomed Central, their Directory of Open Access Journal, and some of the national journals, some of the national publishers too, like Innovative Publications, and this all are following the open access, gold open access policy. Then next is the green open access. So author deposit their manuscripts in a repository. Once this manuscript is get published, then after some embargo period, author is deposit their own manuscript in the in-house repository of institution or any of the platform like PubMed Central or many other platform. So that the reader should be access them, but it happens only after the embargo period. Typically, it varies from 6 to 12 months. This allowing publisher to generate revenue from the research access actually. For examples like ResearchGate and then institutional repositories, in-house institutional repositories, and other platforms where author can deposit their manuscript after an embargo period. And the next open access type is hybrid open access. Here, journal offer mix of open access and subscription based article. Authors can choose to make their article open access by paying the fee, or while other articles remain behind a paywall. They are not paying the fee. For example, many of subscription based journal offer a hybrid open access options such as Nature and Science, and many journals of even various publishers like Springer is following this hybrid model in maximum of their publications, journal publications, and Elsevier, and many of the journals are following this hybrid option. So each type of open access is beneficial and have their drawbacks too. Gold open access provide immediate access, while green open access rely on repositories and embargo period. But hybrid open access offers the flexibility, but it can be confusing for authors and readers. But open access promotes global access to the knowledge, accelerate research, and foster collaboration. So enjoy understanding about open access. Have a great time.